Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ethereum daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You can find the link in the description box and in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see what Ethereum is going to do. Eventually we had a mini correction going on. We are having a mini correction going on. Nothing special is happening right now. You can see that we are entering a nice squeeze phase. What is the squeeze phase? It is when the volume is getting lower, Bollinger Bands, the bottom line approaching the top line right here, and eventually we want to see what is next for Ethereum against USDT chart, because right now we are floating just between the 20-day and the 50-day MA. Look at that. This will be a direction to the downside or to the upside. Okay, this will mean that we are going to soon have a direction to the upside or to the downside. We want to see where we can land on. For the time being, Ethereum against USDT chart has some bearish signs, including this very high risk that we had back here above the 70. You can see that. Okay, we are having some huge risk coming in for Ethereum against USDT chart. However, let's see some important support levels. Here we have a very huge and important support level in the non-logarithmic scale, or if you go in the logarithmic scale it is a little bit different, but right now I will trust more the non-logarithmic scale, the regular scale as well. This is the 1790 USDT. It is a very huge important support level for Ethereum. Okay, this line right here. And why I'm talking about support levels, because I think that Ethereum right here, it is going to fall down. You look at this boring movement right now. Okay, we have continuous 4-hour frames that we are going sideways, not going into for example, into a very bullish situation, not going into a very nice and bearish situation right there. Okay, we are just going to float sideways. And why I'm saying nice bearish situation, because many people want to buy lower. They didn't have the time to buy right here, so they want to rebuy and re-enter Ethereum at 1.5k. Will the bulls let us buy even lower? Let's find out. I'm not sure about that. We are going to have to wait and see. In the meantime, nothing much is changing in the few hours that we are in. Okay, and you can see that 20-day MA, 50-day MA support level, 20-day MA resistance level right here, and we are just getting into a squeeze point. We will soon know where are we going to go. I think that we are going to know by the end of the weekend, or maybe at the start of the next week. I'm very optimistic about the price action to the downside though. Okay, I'm not optimistic that we are going to go all the way up. Many people would like to see Ethereum going all the way upwards, but I'm not into that because of BTC's price action right here. Look at BTC USDT chart. It isn't looking so good. It is looking like a bear flag to me right here. Bear flag, and we are going even further down. We had a nice uptrend, but for now it doesn't seem healthy. It doesn't seem like we are going all the way up. We closed in the 4-hour frame below the 23.8k as well, and this is one more bearish and few of the bearish reasons why I'm saying that Ethereum might not be able to go upwards. And especially the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, you can see right here we are having huge resistance levels at the 0.080085. Okay, huge resistance level that we cannot easily get past above. I know that we are having the triple halving event, but by then we need to stay around here. Okay, we do not want to crumble down even further lower, because we will lose the demand. The triple halving might save the day, and over the next few days, because we will have a decrease into the supply, we might see Ethereum pumping up and doing something very impossible, going all the way. For example, if we go to the weekly scale, okay, and we have the logarithmic as well, because the logarithmic helps sometimes better with resistance and support levels. And if you look at here, for example, let's go to the top and to the bottom, we might be going even higher to the 2.5k. It could be the case that yes, that Ethereum could go to the 2.5k. However, right now, as things are looking, I think that we are going to break below from this squeeze point that we are forming in the 4-hour frame, and we are going to go down into the 1.79 and so on. So I'm going to have some support levels kicking off. First of all, the 179. 1.8k or k around there, and 1693 around there. These will be the next support levels for Ethereum against USDT chart. I want you to be extremely careful because we have a bear flag, and because of Ethereum against Bitcoin chart finding a very huge resistance level. Okay, so right here I want you to be extremely careful with Ethereum right now, because if BTC has a crash, Ethereum will crash double its percentage. Okay, for example, if BTC crashes down 5%, Ethereum will crash down 10%, okay, or so. So you have to be extremely careful with that. I'm not quite optimistic about the price action, but however, right here I'm really thinking that this squeeze point will let us to the downside, will get us all the way down to the 1.8k and so on. Be extremely careful. In today, we might be seeing even today a huge correction coming in, bringing us all the way to the 1.8k. We will have to wait and see. For the time being, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.